Welcome back to AI Streetz. Welcome. Today we are in Midjourney and I'm going to show you how I blend two images together and to see the outcome and to get ideas on how to monetize images like these. But this particular one, I don't think we may be able to monetize it since I'm going to use the Minnie Mouse image and another image to create something. Let's see how it will be. Go here to the message that Midjourney bot, select it, forward slash, and we're going to choose blend, and we're going to choose to blend only two images. Okay, I'll select here and I'll go into my computer and I'll upload this image, this little girl in her red coat. She looks like Red Riding Hood and Minnie Mouse right here. Okay, I'm going to blend these two and see what the outcome will be. Hit enter. Okay, we are waiting. Oh, it's coming in. That's cute. Oh, look at how cute she is. Look how cute she is. The only thing, the background is black and we do not. Wow, that's super cute. Let's go in. Oh, that's super cute. I love it. That is super cute. Let's open it in the browser. Oh, she has the nose, the mouse nose. Ooh, she's cute. Look at that. Her eyes are beautiful. And her mouth too. Look at that. Okay. She is super cute. She is super cute. Okay. I see it blend like the cartoonish ways of the Minnie Mouse with her. That's why you see the black outline. She is so cute. Oh wow. Um, that gives me an idea. Let's go back. Let's go here and let's go on Google and find something else. Not Minnie Mouse, but like a little girl clip art. Okay, African American little girl clip art. I think I actually have one. Let me go on my computer. Okay. Here are my images. I'm going to use this one. She is super cute. Let's go back. We're gonna blend again. Blend. One. Red Riding Hood. And two. We're gonna choose the cartoon over here. Okay, these two. And then we're gonna blend them and wait for the result. Look at her little coat. She is super cute. Oh, wow, I love her. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, she's good. Let's open it in browser. Look at her little eyes. She is cute. One more thing. Let's see if we can remove the background. Let's say I will choose this one, the third one, the second one, and then I will go to Ferrari region, and then I will stand here and drag over it, and I'll go here and I'll put white background, then enter. I wanted to remove the background for me. Oh, I did something completely different. This is not what we want. Let's see how to get the background. This is not good. So I see that when you upload an image, the background should not be transparent. It should be white. Okay, it should be white. Let's go back. Okay. I will turn the background white. Okay, let's try the blending again. I change the background. Blend. We go to Red Riding Hood again. Red Riding Hood. And our little girly. Okay, here she is. We have made the background white. Okay, let's do this. Oh, here she is. So we have learned something here, that you should never blend with an image that has a transparent background, or the background of your images will be black. We've done it twice. The Minnie Mouse had a transparent background, and that's why it came out like this. Okay, and look at these cuties. Whoa, I love them. I love them. They are super cute. Look at that. Look at her face. She has beautiful eyes. Look at our girlies. They are cute. And these are useful. You can use these for stickers. You can use them to put on cards. You can use them to put on notebooks, cake toppers, different things. Gift for kids. You can put them on shirts with a cute text. You can monetize these. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know. Bye.